Welcome to Richard Cabile YouTube channel, and for today's tutorial, I will be teaching you on how to change allow calls from in allow notifications personal focused on iPhone X. But first, kindly subscribe to this channel and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And let's start. Using your iPhone X from your home screen, first go to Settings. Then in the settings, scroll down and click the Focus. Then in the Focus, choose the Personal. Then in the personal focus, click people under the notifications. Then in the notifications, under the allow notifications from, find the allow calls from and click. And the pop-up will appear, then choose the contacts that you want to be added on your allow calls. For example, favorites or allowed people only. And that's it. We have successfully changed allow calls from in allow notifications personal focus on iPhone X. If you have a question, kindly comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you for the new updates. And thank you for watching.